Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, we do have a little bit of a 3-4-5 shape up here. We have that like 3-4-5 shape that you do see at the end of most trends. So hopefully we are going to make a pullback today. I would like to see this go down to at least a 38 to 78% to get a pullback entry to go long. If you've seen my analysis, you know that I think we are going up in a wave C right now. I personally think that this is going to end up going all the way up here, taking out the high of wave A, maybe even up to about the 149.5, 150 area to finish off a wave C. So for me, I am definitely only looking for longs right now. I definitely wouldn't try to go long now. I would want to see a break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour. Then I would want to see some sort of a three-way pullback, kind of like this three-way pullback that we had the other day at market open on Monday. Something like that is what I'm looking for now. Three waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level, then an impulsive move to the upside for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked out here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.